Hello guys! Welcome to my second entry into this series about the origins of life. If you missed the last one, I talked about evolution of our first life. Today I'll be talking about the first ways evolution changed life. But first, let's get into it. Actually, I need to clear something up. Last video, I said that RNA were the building blocks of life. But I was wrong. It's an ingredient. It's like a cookbook, telling the life how to reproduce. There are tons and tons of chemicals that aren't RNA inside of life. Just wanted to clear that up. I'm very sorry, guys. This black thing in the center is called the nucleus. It's what stores the RNA, or sometimes DNA. This is one of its ancestors that went extinct. Haha, get noob. This is Luca, the last universal common ancestor. While this is the first thing that unites us all, this is the last thing that unites us all. Anything that this guy makes does survive, and this is the last living thing that we can all say, hey, me and you come from that thing. As you can see here, life started to thrive. This much life ate up a lot of the food supply. When they die, they release it for something else to eat. But this isn't enough. So, for evolution, some changes happen. There are two ways life went. An evil one, or a nice one. Let's see the evil one. Here are two cells. One is normal, and the other is evolved. Now, sadly, this is too scary for me to show, so I'm gonna have to hide in the corner. Okay, guys, I think it's over. The normal cell was eaten, and the evolved one reproduced. This, as you can probably tell, puts this cell forward by a ton. Now that we've seen that option, let's discover a nicer option, you could say. So, here are some diagrams and models I made. Here's the model of, you might recognize it, it's a plant cell. This is a plant cell, if you couldn't tell. It's one of the earliest ones. This is just a normal cell that releases CO2, that'll be important later. So, here are some models I made of a plant cell. The nucleus, which we see on the normal cell too. But we've got the cytoplasm, which is on the normal cell too, just not green. The cell membrane, which is on a normal cell too, it's just the edge of the cell. But where this starts to change is chloroplasts, which are these two netherite blocks. They're wide. So chloroplasts is actually what makes this green. It contains a chemical that makes it green. So it takes in sunlight and the CO2, which this cell releases, like the normal ones, and then takes that in and makes food, which is stored in the vacuole. I'm not sure if it was stored in the first cells, but it might have been. So the vacuole just stores all the food. Here is a new plant cell. It got a nucleus. It's got a vacuole, which is 100% there. Cytoplasm, chloroplasts, cell membrane. But where this differs is it has a cell wall. This doesn't need that because the whole point of a cell wall is stability. It's very, very stable and is used in like leaves, and that's why leaves don't just flop to the ground. Anyway, I think that'll be it. Sorry I had to cut him off. Anyway, goodbye guys. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. There's a problem where like lots of people really enjoy my videos, but they're not liking. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you've learned something today. I know I sure have. Goodbye.